In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook view back to normal. If your Outlook layout suddenly looks different and your emails are no longer displaying the way you expect, don't worry. This is usually just a view setting and it's very quick to fix. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to return your Outlook mail layout to a more standard, familiar view by adjusting the reading pane. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're in the mail section. This is important because the setting we're changing appears specifically within the mail interface. Once you're there, you should be looking at your inbox or any other email folder. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on View. The View tab is where Outlook keeps layout and display options. So if something about the appearance of your mailbox has changed, this is usually the first place to check. Clicking here will open the tools related to how your messages are shown. After that, look for the Reading Pane option and click on it to open the drop-down menu. The Reading Pane controls where your selected email appears on the screen when you click a message. If this setting was changed accidentally, it can make Outlook feel unfamiliar or harder to use. From the drop-down, choose Show on the right. This places the Reading Pane on the right side of your message list, which is the normal view many people are used to in Outlook. As soon as you select it, the layout should update right away, and your inbox should look much more familiar. If your screen still doesn't look exactly the way you expect, make sure you're still in the mail area and not in Calendar or another Outlook section, since each area can have its own layout settings. Also, give the interface a second to refresh after making the change, and that's it. By going to Mail, opening the View tab, selecting Reading Pane, and choosing Shows on the right, you can quickly restore Outlook to a more standard layout. This is a simple fix, but it makes a big difference if your screen has been changed and you want it to get back to a comfortable, easy to read setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.